Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be reading words with the letter H that says and the letter K that says k. This is Hattie Horse. Hattie Horse helps us remember that the letter H says because Hattie begins with and horse begins with. This is our friend Keely Kangaroo. Keely Kangaroo helps us remember that the K says k because Keely and kangaroo both begin with k. This is one of the pages that we usually do in school, so this should be very fun for you. At the top of our page, we see our friends Hattie Horse, and they actually kind of help us look at how we form the letters. When we form the lowercase h, we do skyline to grass line, straight line down, curve or straight line back up, follow it back up to the plain line, curve line down, back to the grass line. H, horse. And for lowercase k, Keely helps us remember we go skyline to grass line, straight line down. This time you would pick up your pencil, put it on the plain line, slant line in, kick it back out. K, kangaroo, k. What we're going to do is look at these pictures. These pictures either begin with the sound with an H or the k sound with a K. So you're going to listen to the first sound and I will point to it and you'll pretend circle it on the screen. This is a picture of a hen. This is a picture of a key. This is a picture of a kite. This is a picture of a hat. This is a kitten. This is a kitten, a baby cat. And this is a hammer. Let's go back to our hen. Let's say the sounds in hen. What's the first sound you hear in hen? Is it or k? Yes, it is. Oops, sorry. This is a picture of a key. This is a key. Let's say the sounds in key. K, E. What's the first sound in key? Is it k? If you said k, you are correct. Kite. Say the sounds in kite. K, I, t. Does it begin with or k? If you said k, you are correct. Hat. Tell me the sounds in hat. At. Does it begin with or k? If you said you are correct. This is a kitten. The sounds in kitten are k, t, kitten. What's the first sound in the word kitten? Is it or k? If you said k, you are correct. This is a picture of a hammer. What's the first sound in hammer? I want to see if you can do this. Yes, the first sound in hammer is Good job, boys and girls. Now we're going to practice reading words with the letters we've learned. So this is how we decode words and blend them together. When I say decode, I mean say the sound that every letter makes. So we're going to say, we're going to say it again. At, hot. Let's do that one again. At, hot. And then we can go faster. At, hot. Practicing saying the sounds that each letter makes again and again helps you hear the sounds, especially if you do that loudly. If you do that out loud, you can hear yourself read the word. let's read some words. And I'm going to remind you, these are our consonants up here in blue. We're going to remember the letters, sounds. Say these with me. D, k, t, Now these are our vowels. A, I. Oh, there's a again. A. Let's say the sounds that each letter makes and then blend the sounds together to read a word. Watch me first. Id, hid. Now you do this with me. Ad, had. Let's do that again. Ad, had. You can kind of sing it, and it will help you put those sounds together. At, hat. Next row. N, ten. That's someone's name. Kim. Someone else's name. It, kit. Let's read these the fast way. So I'm going to put the cursor over the word and you read the word. Hid, had, hat. Ken, Kim, kit. Now that you know these words, you can read this sentence. Let's sound out this first sentence. N, ken, id, hid, at, hat. And there's our period at the end of the sentence. Let's read the whole sentence. Ken hid a hat. Ken hid a hat. I want you to practice reading that sentence, touching every word. Remember, our sentences when we write begin with an uppercase letter and end with a period or a punctuation mark of some sort. Let's decode, which is sound out, and read this next sentence. Kim, ad, had, a, it, kit. Kim had a kit. And it ends with a period and starts with an uppercase letter. I hope that you pause this video, go back and please practice these words, these letter sounds, especially if that D tricked you and you called it a B. Remember, D circles backwards, B circles forwards. Or to form a D, you can make a C and connect the space with a line. Okay? And practice these words and these sentences, and I hope you do a super job reading today. Have a good day.